2018 Buick Cascada. There have been a number of European city cars that found their way into the North American market. A lot of them got fame because of their delightful powertrain and comfortable seats, while some got relegated and their production got paused because they could not bear the heat of the American competition. Well, this trend never got over. In the present day, there are even some European cars that get their way into the American market. And usually, those are the rebadged versions that found their way here. One of such examples is the Opel Cascada that is marketed into the United States as the Buick Cascada. Well, the European version was introduced in 2012 and was released in the market in 2013. While the American version was introduced during the North American Auto Show 2015 and was launched in 2016. The American Cascada just gets a single drivetrain, minimal options for the exterior design and similarly a few options for the interior comfort. Among the competition, it is just like a lethargic European counterpart that is living as a liability. The price structure hardly matches its structure. It gets its fame because of its badge. Otherwise, there is nothing much attractive in this car. The Buick Cascada is available on 3 different models. Where the Cascada is the beginner version, the premium takes in some comfort level and the sport touring is the enhanced version available. The base price is usually a debate for this type of car. It begins from $33,065, which is certainly a price for a neatly designed electric vehicle, with less maintenance costs. While the upper trim is available for as low as $37,065, which makes you choose a domestic SUV.